Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing today? I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm doing another recommendation reaction video to basically this group called Glass and Sickzombies, and this is a music video to the song Mine. So I'm curious to see what these ladies are gonna be giving me. So let's go. Yeah. Oh. Oh. That entrance was everything. Yes, that's boom, boom. Come on, ladies. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. I want your mind.
Can't stop thinking about you. People call me crazy. I'm a loser for you.
Gorgeous. Okay.
Go mind your business, I just do what I want. Give me a daddy, catch me. Mama drop, baby, better call me mommy. Missy my touch, I'm a high heel Bobby. Everybody bow down to the queen, nothing but my present. You know all around, no one do it like me, yeah.
She better channel that bad bitch energy. I like that. They look like natural dancers. Kemari. I wanted the Sickzombies is the one who are the DJs. For you. Gorgeous. Yes. Come on, Tiffany. Tiffany. Diamonds are forever. Okay. Oh, I like her. Sickzombies. Sickzombies. Yes. I feel it for you. I feel it for you. Oh, that you mind. I'll make you mine. Okay. That was Glass and Sickzombies. That was a music video to the song Mine. I'm assuming Glass is for the girls and Sickzombies are for the men. I'm assuming they were the DJ. I'm not sure if this is a whole group together, but that was very cute. That was very nice. Who are these girls? iPop, P-pop, M-pop. Who are these girls? I need more. This music video gave me good. This gave me, I'm very more interested in to see what else. I can expect from these girls. I really do like it. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to them. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.